How to create scrolling text in Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to teach you how you will be able to have a scrolling text just like what you're seeing over here on our screen. Now for this one, we need to have a code to be able to have this some sort of effect. And the code that we need is going to be this code over here. So basically what you need to have is a code just like this one, and the message that you want to put is in this section. Over here, we have the direction in which the text will scroll to. So if we put in right, it will move from left to right. And then we could increase our font sizes over here. So let's say you want 12 as a font size. And then over here for your colors. You can simply search up in the internet colors to code and then simply paste it over here. And then simply put your message in this section. After you're satisfied with this, simply go to add elements over here. Look for HTML embed under here, embedded code, and click on embed HTML. And simply paste your code in this section. And click on update. And it will be able to upload or put into your website your design over here. So simply adjust it however you want, and you will be able to have a scrolling effect or scrolling text in Wix. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.